Assalamu Alaikum, yeah, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, in today's video, I am back with another main channel video. Today's main channel video, June like happy Friday. I hope you have a blessed Friday and blessed day. So this is the intro before my trip because that day is gonna be hectic. I'm not gonna tell you because it's private information. So, basically, I this intro before that. So today's currently Friday, June 16th, around 1:40. I don't know what's time right now. Actually, let me just check. 1:53. It's Friday right now. So I got a video coming out today, inshallah. And then in the next shot, we're about to do this time lapse. I'll see you guys in the next shot.
ربي عالم بحالي خلتني بوهالي بين الأقادية ضربة.
Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid Mubarak, yeah. Hope you're having a blessed Eid. So this is the beginning of the vlog. I don't have any clips from prayer or anything, but today is a very important day. Now I'm going to be Eid. I'm leaving somewhere in a few hours. I cannot see it here. In a few hours, your boy. Another background. You got that sheet on, you know what I'm saying? That Eid vibes. Anyways.
Nadi damasif na bola damada muti yajitu yansina la namitu yorides barnam baritu wadala tosif garano didal kawari rafisu mi malli malya shakitu nadi dam.
Assalamu Alaikum, yeah, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, yeah. In today's video, I am back with another main channel video. In today's main channel video, sorry y'all, I cannot be loud. I'm gonna read my voice when I edit this video. Basically, I told you I was gonna be traveling somewhere, and alhamdulillah, I've landed in that somewhere. So basically, if y'all can guess, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Alright, drum roll. Me in hometown, Ethiopia. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I want to say what part. I don't know if I want to. I might be, I won't say what I won't say. You know what I'm saying? We in the hometown, we in Ethiopia basically. So I've been home for the last 2 days. And yeah, we about to leave. I might take a shower in a few. I just want to film this intro for y'all. And I'm gonna get some clips from where I am outside. I have a few other clips from earlier. I got here Friday. Today is Sunday. So, yeah, peep the background, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, peep, I don't know. Let me know what you think. This is where I'm gonna be filming my intros and stuff like that. And, yeah. So anyways, in the next shot, I gotta go get ready. We're gonna get straight to this vlog. Bam! Vlog. Day one. We'll count it as day 1 vlog of Ethiopia, but it's clearly day 2, so whatever.
Nadi damasif na bola damada muti yajitu yansina la namitu yorides barnam baritu wadala tosif garano didal kawari rafisu mi malli malya shakitu nadi dam. Nadi damasif na bola damada muti yajitu yansina la namitu yorides barnam baritu wadala tosif garano didal kawari rafisu mi malli malya shakitu nadi dam. Nadi damasif na bola damada muti yajitu yansina la namitu yorides barnam baritu wadala tosif برانو دل كواري رفسو دل كواري رفسو بملي ماليا شكتو نادي دم نادي دم مسيب نبولا دم دامتي يجيتو يانسينا لا ناميتو يوريدس برنام بريتو ولا لا تصيب برانو دل كواري رفسو دل كواري رفسو بملي ماليا شكتو نادي دم نادي دم مسيب نبولا دم دامتي يجيتو يانسينا لا ناميتو يوريدس برنام بريتو ولا لا تصيب برانو دل كواري رفسو دل كواري رفسو بملي ماليا شكتو نادي دم
Me out. So basically, I'm editing this video right now, and what? This is the outro of this video. I don't want this video to be too long, so the next video is gonna be me coming back. I don't have a lot of clips, but we'll see in the next video. I'm gonna try to find more clips of more stuff and everything. You know, the video's not coming out today, so you might see more adjustments, more this and more that, you know, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, remember, hope y'all liked the dope. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another banger reaction. Hope y'all enjoyed the Ethiopian vlogs. Don't worry, next time when I go out, it's gonna be more professional. I couldn't record as much this time because of the phone I have. Next time I'm gonna get an iPhone, inshallah. And the recording is gonna be an A1. And I'm going to record every place. I'm going to start the vlog when I leave. I'm going to do it at the airport, all the other airports. I'm going to talk to y'all the whole vlog. You know, it's going to be like a vlog. And I'm going to try my best to talk to y'all as much as I can. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
نادي دم مسيب نبولا دم دامتي يجيتو يانسينا لا ناميتو يوريدس برنام بريتو ولا لا تصيب برانو دل كواري رفسو دل كواري رفسو بملي ماليا شكتو نادي Nadida masif na bola damadamuti